This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by creating or accessing a compatible wallet such as MetaMask or a hardware wallet. Securely store your seed phrase and use a hardware device for large balances. Fund your wallet with ETH, at least 0.01 ETH for small trades and gas. Check current gas fees and set a gas limit to control transaction speed. Connect your wallet to a reputable exchange or to a decentralized exchange interface. Verify network selection is Ethereum mainnet before proceeding to trade. Choose between centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges for the trade. Centralized exchanges typically offer order books and maker-taker fees. Decentralized exchanges use automated market makers and incur direct on-chain gas costs. Set slippage tolerance usually between 0.5% and 3% depending on liquidity. Input exact amounts or use percentage options to sell or buy Ethereum tokens. Review estimated gas cost in GUI and confirm transaction details before sending to avoid costly mistakes. Manage your risk by using limit orders or stop orders to control entry and exit points. Decide position size with a risk rule, such as risking 1% of your portfolio per trade. Keep taxes in mind. Record trades and Form 1099 data if provided by exchanges. Consider using dollar cost averaging when deploying large amounts like 5,000 into volatile tokens. Wait for confirmations, typically 12 confirmations, before considering settlement final and transferring proceeds to cold storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.